Here at Electronic Fuel Tech we have a very high focus on having as reliable products as possible. We would like to strengthen the relationships with the ship owners, the ship management companies, and provide them with service agreements. And this is of course to ensure both the safety of the engine when running in gas modes, and also to ensure in general that they are having as high operation as possible. There's a big transition at the moment in the shipping industry going into greener fuels, and we would like to be a front runner in this technology. We have been that since 2014 with the first equipment in the world for a dual fuel engine. We have a quite large installed base, and of course that needs to be serviced. So we are helping the shipping companies when they are having the vessels in a dry dock. And then we send out our service technicians for the dry dock period to be able to go through the equipment and test it, and also to make sure that it fulfills the needs within the class societies. We ensure that everything is ready when the vessel is coming into dry dock, and have the spares ready for the service engineer. We send out technicians that are certified within these products, and it's always engineers that has been deeply involved with production of the equipment, so they know the equipment quite well and are able to help the crew with whatever they have of questions regarding this equipment. Also because the equipment is a quite new technology for a lot of ship owners and vessel crew. So it's both for servicing the equipment, but of course also to train the crew to be able to make the running maintenance of the equipment.